Hello, if you saw the first video you know this is a tutorial for MySQL databases including all the codes you need. Remember, this is important. After the installation your WAMP server icon needs to be green and pretty. I am going to give you 3 databases working with the options for insert new data, editing and deleting using PHP pages. My databases are working, but let's delete all so you can see how to install it and have it running. Okay, now, I am going to show you how to install these 3 databases from scratch. Do you know the basic commands for creating databases, tables, listing and stuff? If you don't worry, I'll show you. Remember, you need to have installed the WAMP server. It's free. Okay, now we can begin. Extract the folders and locate them on the www.wamp folder. In every example you will find configuration files. You need to write your particular password, database name and user. If you have or if you want different passwords and names for your databases you need to write it in those configuration files. Every example has a configuration file. Don't forget that. Now we open our browser. I have a good reason to be using Internet Explorer. Leave me alone. Now why the databases look so bad? Because we need to create the actual databases and tables in our computer first, then the examples in our browser are going to be fixed. We go to the console. This is my password. Don't show this to anyone, it's a secret. I know I can trust you. In every folder there is a file named help for you. You can type all the commands to create a database and tables, or use my file to copy and paste what you need. This is a very good help if you don't want to be typing stuff. First we create the database. Then we need to select that specific database. Use database test03. Then we create a table inside that database. Now the other database. Remember I am giving to you 3 different databases. You can use only one if you want. Create the database. Select it and create the table for that specific database. For our second example you can input data if you want. This is only to illustrate how it looks, our example with data in it. The example 1 uses 2 tables. One table is for the data and the other table is for the users using the database. You will see. This is a very cool example. Once we created all the databases and tables we refresh our browsers. Now they look better. Well, all the databases are working. In the next video we are going to see them in detail. The codes for this video are in the description. Don't worry, those links don't have shitty ads.